Thank you. Hi, this is our 88th FESIG meeting. I'm Crystal Goh, the founder of FESIG, which is the Free Energy Special Interest Group. We have had to date, I think we've got about 130 odd speakers or more. I think, no, sorry, it's more than that, but possibly coming up to almost 200 speakers, I think, because we've got 130 videos or more now. So over the 5 years that I have first started in, I think, 4.5 years ago, sorry, not 5 years, yeah. And we had speakers every now and again, and sometimes they left. And in this occasion, we had one of the speakers who is very special, who's a gentleman and a hero. He was taken away from us, so we're doing a tribute in honor of our speaker, Mark McCandlish, who passed away on April the 13th from unknown causes. He's a whistleblower. Mark was an internationally recognized artist who has specialized in aviation and conceptual art within the defense and aerospace industries for the last 30 years. So, well, this is what we're about anyway. So the contest is going on very fast, quickly on what we do, our primary objective or secondary objective. It's not important because today it's more on the tribute to Mark McCandlish. Our FESIG meetings offer a platform for free energy technologists to present their work and teachings with creative, innovative, varying ideas and theories, experiments with different beneficial results. So our policy is we are open-minded futurist freedom seekers group, open to all teachings, welcoming creativity that teaches science and spirituality to the furthest frontiers in the pursuit of knowledge, seeking breakthroughs to succeed in our objectives of making this world a better place to live in. Okay, the next slide, please, Moses. Thank you. Oh, okay. So today we are taking a little time to do this for our dear speaker, a special tribute to Mark McCandlish from the Free Energy Special Interest Group. We want to thank you, Mark, for your divine presence and contributions. On the next slide, please. He has been very renowned for doing the illustrations, the flux liner, very detailed to the extent that it is looking like a blueprint. You can actually really build it with his drawings, from his drawings. Into the alien reproduction vehicle. Can you mute yourself, whoever is speaking in the background? Yeah. So that's his website if you want to know more about his work. He was very renowned for doing all these illustrations for the companies that hired him, doing those projects, the top secret projects. So some of his illustrations were featured in Popular Science magazine, as you can see here on this slide. So he was working on top secret projects, alien reproduction vehicle. You can find the story of Mark McCandlish and the flux liner on the internet. He spoke at FESIG on our 43rd meeting. It will come, the next slide will come out. So this is our FESIG team. And we are doing this memorial service, sort of like a small little tribute to him here on this video, standalone video on its own. That's Mark McCandlish. Mark McCandlish has spoken at FESIG on our 43rd meeting. If you go to our YouTube channel, you will look out for the 43rd FESIG meeting. So it's the 43rd meeting where he spoke about his work. Yeah, this one, the 43rd FESIG meeting on the 20th of September. Okay. So look it up and listen to him. He's got a very nice, clear voice. And you can tell from the vibrational frequency that this man is truly doing great work for humanity with a good heart. And Oh, thank you so much, Pontus. I think we can take away this now because I'm going to read the eulogy for him. I want to say that this eulogy is in honor of Mark McCandlish. From us, a special physics speaker, Mark McCandlish, a special physics speaker, passed away on April the 13th from unknown causes. He was an internationally recognized artist who has specialized in aviation and conceptual art within the defense and aerospace industries for the better part of the last 30 years, serving the needs of many of the top American corporations in this regard. Mark was taken too soon from us. We at FESIG are recounting on the remarkable things which Mark did in his life and how his life impacted us. Very well known as the flux liner disclosure illustrator, Mark is a truth-seeking, brave whistleblower who dedicated his life to making this a better world. Even though he's gone, we will never forget him, for his memory lives on within all of us. Thank you. Press, do you have some words here?
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Mark was really phenomenal speaking with us on that edition of FESIG. Futuristic aircraft, he was well renowned and accepted through the UFO ufology crew. And one thing that the memorial folks are asking everyone to do is, in some way, somehow, in your own community, plant a tree in memory of Mark. And we'll be doing that here at my location. And we thank you. And we're going to miss you.
God bless. Pontus, have you got a few words to say as well?
Yes, he was a great man who did this disclosure of the things, and yeah, we will all remember him. Thank you.
Thank you, Pontus. James, Ron, Scott, anybody else? Will? Right. Okay. So we remember Mark, and may he be on the way back to source and not be trapped in this matrix, if that's what his soul wants to go onward with the ascension process. And thank you very much, Mark, for being with us, and the many other groups that you have brought so much of your energy and love and kindness. Thank you for being with us.